Thank you. Mr. Speaker, the last thing Congress needs is more special interest candidates who don't answer to the American people. And yet this morning, the Senate Minority Leader and his big money allies in the Republican Party once again asked the Supreme Court to give billionaires more influence on public policy through our elections. If this effort succeeds, individuals would be permitted to give as much as $3.5 million each to candidates and parties next year, in addition to the already unlimited amounts they can spend independently. It should go without saying that the number of people who are able to contribute on this scale is minuscule, but the ranks of those who would be affected by this deluge of money cannot be overstated. It is simply not possible to turn up the volume on the already amplified voices of a few wealthy donors without drowning out the millions of Americans already struggling to be heard. The fact is, we will never have a fair and balanced budget or a more equitable tax system while the well-off and well-connected are allowed to control members of Congress. Mr. Speaker, this is not the republic the framers intended. When they created Congress and when the people approved the 17th Amendment appointing themselves the electors of the Senate, they wanted to ensure government was accountable to the people it serves. The more we undermine campaign finance laws, the farther we get from that fundamental principle.
For what purpose does the gentlelady